Open your in-apps browser or Google Chrome and navigate to MyTrade.org. 2. Click on Liquidity, then choose Add Liquidity. 3. Change the input token to KOM and USDC, then enter the amount. 4. Approve both KOM and USDC. 5. Click on Supply, then Confirm. 6. Click on View on Explorer to see the transaction. 7. Copy the contract address, then open MetaMask and paste the address in the import token. 8. Click on Add Custom Token. 9. Go back to MyTrade.org, then click on Mining and choose Liquidity Mining. 10. Scroll down the click on KOM USDC, the click on Add to stake some KOM USDC LP. 11. Enter the amount that you wish to stake, then click on Approve. 12. Click on Confirm.